That QR code in the parking meter, it might be stealing your credit card. QR scams are exploding in plain sight, and most people don't even realize they've been hit. In this video, I'll show you how these attacks work, where they hide, and what to do to stop them. Scammers stick fake QR codes on top of real ones, on parking machines, restaurant menus, package delivery slips, and even public flyers. They look harmless. You scan to pay or check a menu, and in seconds, you're on a spoofed website built to steal your info. Once you scan, the link can lead to a fake payment page or login screen. You might type in your credit card, bank credentials, or email login without suspecting anything. Some QR codes can even download malware to your device instantly, just from the scan. You want a real-world example? Recently, scammers in Denver placed fake QR stickers on city parking meters. Drivers scan the code to pay, just like they do every day. But instead of paying the city, they sent money directly to the attackers. Some lost hundreds of dollars before realizing what happened. How to avoid falling for it. Before scanning, check if the QR code looks tampered with or placed over another label. Always preview the URL. Does it match the brand or government site it claims to be? Never enter sensitive info like passwords or payment details unless you're absolutely sure it's legit. Also, enable two-factor authentication and keep your phone updated. Even if you scan a dangerous QR code, Guardio steps in before damage is done. It scans links in real time, blocks access to phishing and malware pages, and warns you before anything loads. It's protection that travels with you, wherever you click or scan. QR codes are everywhere, and scammers know it. Slow down, scan smart, and stay protected. Guardio adds a powerful layer of security right where you need it. Subscribe for more digital safety tips and let us know in the comments. Have you ever scanned a QR code and regretted it?